Hey guys, we're gonna be showing you how to make slime. So step number 1, pouring some glue. A simple way to make slime. No borax needed.
¿Dónde está el jabón?
So here's some glue. Oh, I think I'll also get some food coloring.
Ah, sí, ¿cuál color le vas a poner?
Oh, are you gonna get a color?
This glue right there.
Already. Oh, it's only red.
Ahí voy. Déjale, digo a sus
Are there food coloring in?
Right there.
Oh, there it is.
And that,
Okay, want you guys open that? Okay, so first,
and
okay,
for this.
now pour on the tide.
What color?
What color you want yours?
I want mine. Wait. Green or yellow? Me first. Whatever. You see?
Oh, there's red also.
Yeah, there's red. I'm gonna make it this color right here.
Green.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, no,
here you
wait.
go.
Let me see. Blue. It's already turning blue.
You have a spoon to mix it.
Échale una gotita. Ahí está, ya con esa. Ahora sí, ten el palito y muévelo mucho.
Okay, now.
This is a pencil. All around me are foam.
Okay, now it's making. Okay, now hold it. It's making slime.
It's poor pencil.
We sacrificed the pencil just to do
Muévelo
this.
mucho ahí.
Watch out.
No.
Oh,
Oh, what is this?
Todavía no está, espérate.
mix it.
Just mix it. Oh, I got
Let me do it fast.
Oh, wait, oh my god, the pencil's clear.
not much.
Okay,
Okay,
Watch out!
Cuidado con lo... no
the fluid coloring, put it back.
A gusto pues solo.
Let me see.
Is it good?
how's it feel?
Está,
Sí.
ya, no,
Muy aguado.
¿Está muy aguado?
See.
Pues es que todavía le tienen que moverle más.
Okay, somebody do it.
Feels weird.
Look at my
Me.
fingers.
Oh no. Oh no. Doesn't anyone have a towel?
Just wash your hands.
I think you can pass me a towel or something.
Desmadre.
Okay,
Nada,
just.
Evelyn.
I can't see everything.
A ver, no muy aguado.
A ver.
Ew.
Un poquito de este. Como el que yo, ¿te acuerdas que yo lo puse en el...
Sí.
This could be. I hope this not fail, or else I'll end up in one of those like slime compilation fail.
Yeah. Está bien pegada.
Oh no, fail. Yep, this.
Yeah, that's a fail.
Oh,
Espérate.
You still have to mix it. Jeez. Still make. ¿Yo puedo?
Nomás aquí no lo vayas a dejar caer en la alfombra o en el suelo.
Wait, can I see it?
Tienes que quitarle más jabón.
Is
nomás.
it ready?
Es que todavía está muy...
I'm sorry you don't understand her. It's that Spanish.
No.
Let me see. It's my slime. Mine.
I said no, don't do that.
Drop it!
Don't drop it. It's like one.
Oh, he's so watery. Eric.
Let me feel it.
Keep mixing it, not.
Eric.
You have to keep mixing it with your hands and like.
There you go.
I made it. Wait,
Holly, can you this pencil out?
wait a second. You have to like move it a lot.
No, my hand smells clean now. It's a mess.
No, this does not look like this. More gooder.
Because mine is amber blue.
Amber glue.
Amber glue.
I think we put too much Clorox detergent or Tide, whatever that is. Yeah, this should be a fail.
Wait, put it back. Mix it.
Yeah.
Probably.
Let's go add a little bit water.
I think that'll make it too slimy. That's
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Tried in and then it made it soggy.
Actually, guys, I will leave in the fridge for like a little while.
Yeah,
then,
let's do that.
Because right now it feels like
My hand.
kind of feels a little bit slimy.
Ya nomás están haciendo puro cochinero. Es que no... Si no se lo saco yo, no saco.
Eric, let me see.
I'll just start spinning a little bit.
¿Por qué te llenas todas las manos?
There. I'll put it in
Agarra
the
una
freezer.
toallita y trata de que
Yeah.
de que se
Just
seque.
trying to like bed it. Now I'm gonna leave it in the fridge and it's gonna be like frozen cold solid.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll tell you when we be back.
Okay. Okay, we'll be right back.